In this video, we are going to see the malicious Bot-IoT traffic detection method in Internet of Things network using machine learning techniques. Nowadays, the Internet of Things technology is growing up more day by day. In our process, we have to use the Bot-IoT dataset for malicious traffic detection. The main objective of our process is to detect the malicious traffic attack from our input data. The input data was collected from the dataset repository. Then feature selection technique is proposed for the problem of effective feature selection for attacks in IoT network traffic by using the Bot-IoT dataset and to improve the performance of machine learning techniques. The machine learning techniques such as support vector machine, Navier Bayes, decision tree, and random forest are used in our process. The experimental result shows that our proposed method is efficient and can achieve greater than 98% results on average for each algorithm. Now we are going to see the flow of our process. First, we have to load our input data from the dataset repository. The dataset includes on the IoT and normal traffic flows as well as several numerous cyber attacks, traffic flows of botnet attacks. For better performance result, the extracted features are labeled such as attack flow, categories and subcategories. Then we have to pre-processing the data. That is, we have to pre-process the input data, means we have to remove the unwanted noise or unnecessary data from our input. In this step, we have to use handling missing values and label encoding techniques. In handling missing values means we have to check the missing values is present in our input data. If it is present, we have to replace the missing values by zeros or null values, non values. And then we have to use the label encoding technique. We have to encode the data into integer. Then we have to implement feature selection technique. In this step, to reduce the number of input variables when developing a predicting model. In this step, we have to use chi-square and correlation feature selection techniques. Chi-square is a more efficient for predicting a best features from the pre-processed data. Then we have to implement the 4 classification machine learning algorithms. Then we have to analyze the performance metrics such as accuracy, precision, recall and F1 score. In this video, we are going to see the output. First we have to checking the missing values. Here 0 means there is no missing values in the corresponding attribute or a column name from our dataset. This is the attribute or column name. Here all column names occur only 0. This means there is no missing values in our dataset. Then we have to perform label encoding. Here label encoding means just you have to see category, TDOS and so on. Just I have displayed only sample amount of data. Then subcategory, after label encoding it will convert DDoS converted to 0, then HTTP converted to 0. In case in the category DDoS and other HTTP means DDoS converted to 0 and HTTP converted to 1. So I hope you understand. Then the feature selection technique, the chi-square. The chi-square is the best feature selection technique because the original feature is 46. We have to reduce the feature is 3. Here extract the best features from our input data. Then we have to implement the machine learning algorithms. First support vector machines, the result accuracy precision recurrent F1 score. This is the result for support vector machine. Then this is the result for navies. Then the result for decision tree, and finally the result for random forest. Then we have to compare the result for 4 algorithms. So this is the machine learning algorithms and accuracy. Just compare the 4 algorithms in the table form. This is the heat map for feature extraction, that is correlation feature extracted technique. So this is the output.